Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make XP bottles in Minecraft. Start by collecting glass bottles, blaze powder to fuel brewing, and a steady source of experience orbs like a mob farm or furnace. Gather bottles by smelting sand, then position a grinder or AFK farm to collect orbs safely. Plan a simple brewing setup with stands and water bottles so you can convert XP into bottles efficiently and reliably. In this video, I will explain how to gather materials for XP bottles efficiently. First, smelt sand into glass and craft several bottles, then secure blaze powder for brewing fuel. Build or locate a reliable XP source like a mob grinder, furnace XP collector, or Enderman farm. Add a brewing stand, water bottles, and hoppers to automate the process. Keep extra bottles and blaze powder on hand to avoid downtime during long sessions. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation that's actually useful for gamers. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks safe while you AFK at your XP farm. They save time and mess and fit in a gaming bag. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you bottle XP step by step. Stand near collected experience orbs and throw empty glass bottles to receive bottles enchanting instantly, or set up a system where orbs are funneled to an automated bottling area. Use a brewing stand and hoppers to manage and store your bottled XP efficiently, and organize chests for easy access when you need to repair items or gain levels quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.